My name is Nxele and I'm here to celebrate my 10th birthday with Ayanda, Nxele, the one and only. I am from Limpopo. I live in Randburg. Yeah.
What is that? I don't know. He's turning 10 tomorrow.
Okay.
Give us your birthday message.
I just want to tell you guys my birthday is tomorrow.
So?
Wish me a happy birthday.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play football.
What's the difference between football and soccer?
Football is for the people. Football is a game that you play with your foot and a ball, and soccer is a it's a sport that babies play.
Okay.
Yes.
Soccer?
Yes.
But old people play
Yes.
soccer.
Yes, true.
How is that true?
Which jersey number do you like to wear when you are playing?
Number 7.
Number 7.
Yes.
Because of who? Who is inspiring you?
Cristiano.
Ronaldo.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, one more question.
Yes.
Today is Mother's Day.
Yes.
To tell your mother.
Let's start there.
Okay, first I wanted to take her to get her nails done, but they moved, so I'm just gonna get her something here. And my message is to love your mothers because they do a lot for you.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then, in future,
Yes.
football team would you like to play?
Barcelona.
Which player inspired?
Yamal.
You still remember the jersey he's wearing?
19.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Supporter Ify?
Pirates.
Pirate.
Pirates and Sundowns, but Pirates. I don't want Sundowns.
Kimang favorite ya how go Pirate?
Mafuke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
It's too good.
Cause there is Mahopa.
It's too good.
Serious?
Yes.
Okay. One word of the day. Mfayo or not today?
One word.
Yes.
One word only.
Yeah. Jacopo, one word.
Enjoy.
Yes. Enjoy.
Yes, enjoy.
Thank you.